Welcome to Vallia Chat, where loan documents and data are just one click away in Microsoft Teams. Vallia Chat allows you to search for your loan data or documents by their loan number or any of the borrower's names. It instantly displays the loan summary card of basic information on the loan. There are predefined cards like rate lock information, credit information, and you always have access to all of the borrower's information for all of the borrowers that are on the loan. Similarly, if you need the email or phone number for one of the file contacts, they're just one click away. And if you're on mobile, the hyperlinks will auto-dial or auto-open your email. For cases where pre-made cards are not what you need, you can just type in the data field you want, and Vallia Chat will show the value. But there are lots of data cards to help you get what you want and need quickly without having to do too much searching. You can also pull up documents. Vallia Chat has a card specifically for servicing documents. You can open the document, review it, and then return back to Vallia Chat to continue your conversation. You can also search for any other documents. The only limit is what you have access to in your origination system. Give yourself the ease of loan data and documents one click away in a tool like Microsoft Teams that you already use. Call Brima about Vallia Chat.